morning. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. So, in today's session, we are going to do revision of festivals and we will learn about celebration. So, let's go. Let's talk about National Festivals of India. National Festivals of India. These are the national festivals of India. Republic Day. 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day. Independence Day. On 15th August, we celebrate Independence Day. Gandhi Jayanti. On 2nd October, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. It is birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, who is father of a nation. Holi. It is the festival of colors and joy. We celebrate it with our family and friends. Eid. It is the festival of Muslims. It is celebrated after a month of fasting during the holy month of Ramzan. Dussehra. The 10th day after Navratri is celebrated as Dussehra, the celebration of victory of good over evil. Diwali is the biggest festival of India celebrated by all Hindus. Diwali is festival of light. People decorate their houses with diyas. Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is birthday of Lord Ganesha. People celebrate their birthday as Ganesh Chaturthi. Raksha Bandhan. This festival celebrates the love of a brother for his sister. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated as birthday of Jesus Christ. On this day, people decorate their houses with lightings and Christmas tree. Guru Nanak Jayanti. It is the festival of Sikhs and it is celebrated as the birthday of Saint Guru. Birthday is celebrated with our family and friends with lots of fun. Father's Day. Father's Day is celebrated to honor all fathers for playing an important role in our life. Mother's Day. Mother's Day is celebrated to honor all mothers for playing important part in our life. Grandparents' Day. Grandparents' Day is celebrated to honor all grandparents' love and care. School celebration. Some special days are celebrated at school. Annual Day. Annual Day is celebrated as the biggest function at the end of the school session. Sports Day. Sports Day is also celebrated on large scale in schools in which students participate in different types of sports like race, running race, hurdle race and many more games. Friendship Day. Friendship Day is celebrated with our friends in school. Children used to wish their friends Happy Friendship Day. It is celebrated on the first Sunday of August. Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on the birthday of Chacha Nehru. On Children's Day, it is the birthday of our national leader Jawaharlal Nehru. Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated to honor our teachers who plays a big role in our life for our success. Okay kids, let's solve the worksheet which I gave you for homework. Which picture is first? First is Holi. So where we will match Holi? We will match Holi to its symbol of colors. Next is Diwali. What is the symbol of Diwali? Crackers. So we will match it with crackers. Next is Raksha Bandhan. So match Raksha Bandhan with Rakhi. Christmas. What is the symbol of Christmas? Symbol of Christmas is Christmas tree. So let's match it with Christmas tree. Next is Eid. So what is the symbol of Eid? Moon. So let's match it with moon. Hope you liked the video. Now we are going to meet in our next session with a different subject and a new topic. Till that, keep practicing. Bye.